32. Hey y'all, Artist Poet Girl here, also known as APG Jamie, and today let's make some paper clips. Well, we're not going to make the actual paper clips, we're just going to make them pretty. Okay? Okay. So this is for a Facebook group I'm in, and it is called Paperclip Art, and Lollipalooza is the boss lady over there. If you're interested, check us out and request to join up. So anywho, we go by a monthly theme, and for the month of March, no, I am not behind, thank you very kindly. For the month of March, the theme is pets. So that's what I'm working on. One for me, one for this Facebook swap, and a couple of extras because I like it like that. So I'm putting googly eyes on my little doggy. It's a stamp. Oh, and there is in the description box below is a list of ingredients for this video. Click on the word more to see more. So anyway, the theme for March is pets, and I'm going with this here doggy stamp because he's so stinking cute. He's almost like a robotic dog. Think Doctor Who canine, sort of, but not really. Anywho, I used the archival color garden patina. Oh, y'all, I just love that color. It's so beautiful. My headphones are just buzzing in my ear, which is very distracting. I hope y'all can't hear it, and if you can, I'm so sorry. I apologize. So I'm coloring up the stamp image with some Prismacolor pencils I have over there. I did not pay attention to the colors I use, so that will not be in the description box below. Okay? Just saying, because it's not going to be down here, because I don't know what colors I used. I just used whatever color felt it like. Oh, y'all. It has been a day. Hey. Musical interlude. It's just a musical interlude for you, for me, just wee musical interlude. I needed that, y'all. Just saying, I don't know if you did, but I sure did. So anyway, I'm not doing a hidden paper clip on this one. This is just going to be kind of sticking out. But I am putting it back, and I'm using fun foam, which is what I'm cutting right now. More or less to the same size as my stamped image that I trimmed out. Not exact. I don't know what I was thinking the day I made these, because, you know, I'm just kind of flip-flopping everywhere, and I end up trimming up all kinds of stuff. So I'm kind of measuring them out, not that it matters, because I end up trimming them again later. Now, the scrap that I have right there that I'm putting on the back happens to be a rubber stamp of Paperclips. And I love it. And I can't remember where I got it from, but I think it was the last one the lady had. And I've had it for quite some years. Okay, if I can find out where I got it from, I'll put it in the list of ingredients, but otherwise, I don't know. I know that frame issue. Y'all, I don't know how my camera gets moved. There must be some gremlins out there or something. Anyway, I laid my paper clip on there so I can get a guesstimation of the size to trim out for where the paper clip is going to go. Between on the fun foam or inside the fun foam of sorts, okay? Because I don't want it too bulky. That's why I'm putting the fun foam in there. So anyway, I'm making this little taggy thing that's going to go on the dog, and it says, what does it say? Does it say? It says bark. 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 And that's what and I'm using the same garden patina. I just love that color, y'all. It's gorgeous. And I'm trimming those down just a little bit. I'm folding over the little top part. I know it's kind of hard to tell when you're using dark colors like this. And I'm using a teeny tiny little hole puncher. I think it's like 1/8 of an inch. It's ridiculously small. And I'm going to run some silver thread through there. Silver thread. It's not real silver. And I'm trimming that down, and it's really, really hard to see on my screen. I don't know how well y'all can see it, but, I'm trimming it down, and I'm folding it over, and then I'm just going to loop it through there, and do, what does they call it? I think it's a slip knot of sorts. I don't know. The normal way. So now I'm back to trimming the fun foam, and I'm sticking that onto my background piece because it's sticky-sided fun foam. And I think it's funny that it's paper clips on the back. Yeah, it's just so funny to me. Okay, maybe it's not that funny. So now I'm putting some my favorite glue on there, on the non-sticky side of the fun foam. And now I'm going to put the paper clip in there. It's a jumbo size paper clip, which is, what are they, like 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inches? I don't know. They come in a box that says jumbo. They're really not giant. They're just jumbo, okay? And here goes the front, which is my doggy image. He's such a funny little character. Yeah, I put a little red tongue on him. Oh, and the ink pen that I used was a Jelly Roll Stardust. It's my favorite Jelly Roll. Okay, so there they go. Oh, I decided I was going to ink around the edge, which it would be more butter to do that before you glue it all together. Just saying. And yeah, and here comes my little tags. I thought, well, how am I going to stick them on there? So I just glued them on. Just glued them on, y'all. I got the little silver threads. Silver threads. I have some gold thread too, but I liked the silver better with this one because, they're all kind of cool colors, just saying. Except for that red bark. Bark. Right, man. Y'all should see Champ how he's looking at me. He's like, what are you doing? Who are you talking to? Anywho, so that's about it. Now on the April one, because I'm fixing to do April's too. Oh, y'all, it was just terrible. I tried like 3 or 4 different things because the theme for April's floral, okay? So I did the stamp. I ended up not liking that. Then I did these paper flowers and, the little green streamer thingies. And these were a hidden paper clip of sorts. And I made them all up. And then I'm like, I don't know. I'm just not happy with them. So we're going to try it again. I made what? Like 3 different sets. No, just 2 different sets because the one stamped image I ended up not using that at all. I think I stuck that in the giveaway pile over there. It'll go in some piece of Happy Meal somewhere sometime or another. Just saying. So I had some scissors that had the little fancy edge on them, and I trimmed around some die cut circles. And I have these little lace flowers. You take your lace and you roll it up and then you smoosh it out and you stick a pop top on the back. No, y'all, I didn't make them. They were store-bought at the Hobby Lobby clearance. That thing, oh, that sure did us a lot of good, didn't it? That just really did us people that were able to get to Hobby Lobby some really good. Anyways, they are kind of lace flowers, and they're the ivory color, or ecru, unbleached titanium, or Titan buff, whatever, however you want to say that color. So there they are. And I'm going to put a little gem in the center-ish. And, they are sticky sticker gems, but still, using my favorite glue, putting that in there, and going to stick that little gem in there. Oh, we're almost done. Paper clips can be fast, and they're fun. They sure can be so cute. I'm already thinking about how, oh, look at that, so cute, how I'm going to send these in when we go to do the swap. That won't be until like June or July because we're doing 6 months, and then we'll do 6 months if you want to join the second half of the swap. So, anyway, Facebook, paperclip art, y'all. And there's a photo montage coming up momentarily. let's see, how long did it really take me? I think I spent, oh, not including the ones that I didn't like, okay? I spent probably maybe 45 minutes on making these. And the puppy, the little log one too. Maybe, yeah. Look how they're so happy and cute together. I just think they are. I hope you think they are too, because I like them. I appreciate each and every one of you, your valuable time, your kind comments, your thumbs up, your shares, your valuable time. I know I said that. Oh, and if you're not already subscribed, please take a moment to do so. I'd appreciate it. And I just really appreciate your views. I love y'all. Oh, I didn't like those too well. They're okay. There's nothing wrong with them. I just didn't like them too well. They're okay. Disclaimer screen. Thanks for watching. And happy hunting, y'all.